Well, hello there. It's been a good couple of months since I did one of these, and uh, basically, I was sick for a little while, got over it, and such. And I am not gonna say the phrase because I don't know, it just doesn't set right with me. The thing that people say when it's been a while nowadays that's in current slang. So anyway, um, but I got something cool. So we recently had Mardi Gras go down as far as Louisiana was concerned, which is then followed by Ash Wednesday. I decided that I was going to do, get back on health sort of things, and um, I had done some running and walking in the past, and I did not. Never could find quite the sweet spot for what I wanted as far as the tech for doing that sort of thing. I had used Garmin a lot back about 5 years or so. I had used like the Garmin suite of things, and it changed Garmin watches a couple of times, and I mean, I was happy with it. It was fine, but it was just it's kind of on the expensive side. So this time I was looking for something that had a little bit of everything. My wife taught me into an Apple Watch for a while, but it's just, I don't know. She's much more Apple specific than I am. So I got looking around and found some things about this. So I'm going to try this system, but I'm just going to unbox it here for you. We have the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. So I guess it's for folks with little arms. I don't know. But we'll just unbox this thing. I was interested in it because of the large amount of health effects that it tracks. It has multiple different GNSS and other satellites. I think it does the GLONASS and the... I think it does about almost the same 3 or 4 that the Phoenix does. It's water resistant up to 100 meters, and it has the altimeter, barometer, and compass. And then on top of that, if you do things right, you can get think about 40 hours battery life on continuous GPS mode. But anyway, take out the outer box and you get a nice, sort of inspired by the Apple sort of thing, one of these nice little boxes. So it's kind of nice. I went with the desert gray model because I was tired of boring black banded running watches. So you pull out this little section, and here we have all the pamphlets on one side, or I guess all the pamphlet type information. Oh, neat little tiny book that I'm sure I'll need to at least peruse a little bit. Oh, looks like they got QR codes in there so that you can scan and see some of the stuff on a device. Of course, charging cable on the other side. And the charging cable looks to be, if I can get it open, as I continue to tear it apart instead of open it. Okay, there we go. So it's typical USB charging cable. I'm just tearing this thing straight up. Okay, packaging. So it has like a little magnetic clip, I think. Get the watch off here. Oh, nice. Okay, I guess I can do it that way. So it looks like the clip goes in. I don't know where it goes. Okay, let me see if I can undo the band. Ooh. That's a nice soft silicone band that it has there. And let's see if the charging is more realized whenever you take off the cover for the sensors. Supposedly this has both the heart rate tracking, but it also has the pulse oximetry, blood oximetry rather, type. And yeah, okay, that's it. So it just sort of magnetically locks on there on the back of it, and then it would plug into a standard USB sort of thing. It's pretty nice. You can do a bunch of different faces for this, and it has a AMOLED display. Anyway, but I'll see some of that soon enough. I think I got to charge it first. So, but that's the Amazfit T-Rex Pro, and I will probably give a little bit more in-depth on what it does or what it's like, having been a pretty long time Garmin user. And we'll see how this stacks up and compares to what I've experienced with the Garmin world. But I wanted to go all in some of their stuff, and they also have the Amazfit Smart Scale. So I had in the Garmin ecosystem, I had the Garmin Index Smart Scale, not the Index 2, but I think the first one. And it was pretty good, you know. I mean, a scale's a scale. It tells you a little bit of something. I actually more rely on things like the I have Omron body composition hand, where you have the hand paddles and it sends the impedance to determine more accurately. Not quite up to DEXA scale or other sort of, but at least more than just the bioimpedance that most of these type of smart scales do. So I have that. I only do it every once in a while though, because it's a little more involved than just stepping on a scale. All right, so nicely packaged, but supposedly, so there you got a nice discrete LED panel, and it supposedly is multi-user, so me and multiple folks in the family can use it. Apparently they put a sensor at each one of the pads. It uses 4 AAA batteries. I think my Garmin used like 4 AA's. One of them I've had has 4 AA's, but it, you know, nice little look. See how it works. The big difference between this and the Garmin one is, whereas the Garmin runs about $150 in that price range, this runs like 50 bucks. So not that far off from a decent just digital scale. And accordingly, you're supposed to get all kinds of data from this. Not only that it's multi-user, but it is also, let's see, it can do muscle mass, body fat, body water percentage, bone mass protein percentage, visceral fat grade, basal metabolism or basal metabolic rate, subcutaneous fat, skeletal muscle, physical age, BMI, heart rate, and so, you know, lots of stats there. I thought it was kind of interesting. It can actually give you a standing heart rate, so it can check your pulse via your feet. It's kind of unique and interesting, but we'll be trying these out, and I'll probably come back with a review video. I'm going to try to get another video out to y'all before the weekend's out, because tomorrow I'm going to be putting the finishing touches on my Zenitsu from Demon Slayer cosplay, which is why I shaved the beard, because Zenitsu doesn't have a beard in most of what I've seen. And so I will be working on, I bought this costume. I didn't make this costume, but I am experimenting with one thing, wigs, because I gotta have hair as Zenitsu. So we're preparing to go to the Mississippi Anime Fest over in Jackson, Mississippi. So I'm going to try to get another video out with my Zenitsu cosplay once I get it put together. And my wife is going to be doing Nezuko. So, no, we're not going to do the Nezuko Zenitsu chasing around sort of things. I know they're popular on other channels and stuff, but yeah, we're just going as a couple at the event there. So, till next time, catch y'all later.